Well, we may be in the middle of a pandemic, but my nonprofit organization is still working to help cancer survivors. Donna Terrell's Yoga Warriors Fighting Colon Cancer just gave a $48,000 donation to Baptist Health Foundation to buy medical equipment, the first of its kind in the state of Arkansas. And it's sure to be a game changer in the lives of cancer survivors. It's called the UrbiJet 2, and it's the first one in the state of Arkansas.
We were waiting for this device to come on board because there is a tremendous need for this type of surgical procedure.
Dr. Savin Haida, an interventional gastroenterologist at Baptist Health, speaks highly of the UrbiJet. He says it can remove cancer lesions in the colon, stomach, and elsewhere. The device, using hydrosurgery, cuts tissue with a gentle water jet, cutting surgical time in half.
And in my latest procedure that I've just done, there was no bleeding at all. It was 40 minutes, no bleeding whatsoever, and the patient went home the next day.
My goal is to cook everything in this book.
Yoga Warriors is inspired by my daughter, Quaya, who died from colon cancer. And we do many things, including raise awareness of the disease in young people. Each year, we have a community-wide yoga event, and recently we added a golf tournament. Both events raising funds, enabling us to give the $48,000 grant to Baptist for the UrbiJet.
The Yoga Warriors donation to our Baptist Health Foundation is a great example of partnership with purpose.
Recently, President and CEO of Baptist, Troy Wells, interviewed me to learn about Yoga Warriors and our contribution.
And so why this technology?
The board of directors and I, we set out to find something that we could do that could truly make an impact. Bottom line, we knew the UrbiJet would be a game changer for colon cancer and other cancer survivors. And I do want to thank my board of directors for their guidance. I couldn't do this without them. I also want to thank the many people who donate to us each year, the companies, big and small, the individual donors, and you, our viewers, and the many people who support our events every year. COVID put a damper on this year's events, but we're always raising funds. Learn more about us at yogawarriors.org.
Well done, Donna, to you and your board. Great job. That's going to change a lot of people's lives.